Hey everybody, was just gonna do a quick recording of some engine blocks I just drug into the garage. Now these are pristine, primo, just the nicest, cleanest blocks you've ever seen. We're gonna get them torn down and clean them up what little bit they need. They don't need much. And then we'll put some new components in it, so I'm gonna switch. So these are the blocks. To the left here, this is a 207 4-bolt main. So it's a little dirty, not bad. I got another 207 over here. If I can find where it's stamped. Got this one. This one's only got 2 bolt mains. Got another 4-bolt main here. Now this is an 880 block, and this one is actually going to get built first. So I'll get this one up on the stand here in the next day or two, and we'll pull all the old, ugly, nasty stuff off. Got all of its lifters, saying a lot. So we'll get these stripped down, cleaned up, rebuilt, and they'll get dropped into something. Now I think this 880 block here, I believe this one is actually going to wind up in a stock car running in North Carolina and Virginia. These 207s, I don't really know. Glad this one's got 4-bolt. That'll be fun to build. Walk out here, I got a couple extras that they were just too heavy. Well, got a drive shaft walking. Come on now. Let's see, what's this one? See if we can find a. Looks like an 880. Hard to say for sure. That one says 638, so I'm betting this one somewhere actually says that it's a 207. But know where we can really get to. So this one's pretty complete. It's at least still got all the heavy stuff except for the heads. Got 3 of them here, 3 more that are going to go in. So we got 5 engines, or 5. You don't even have a casting number. What are you? $240. This one doesn't even say. It's not real proud of it, I guess. We got a few blocks here. And again, got a few in here. These will get torn down, again, get rebuilt. Got some old components over here. One day, I'm gonna take this old, I think it's a 5-horse Briggs. Maybe it's 3-horse, I don't recall right off top. We'll take and tear that one down maybe one day. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me, but it's a lot of fun. It gives me something to do with my hands, occupy my brain. I'll be recording this whole thing as we go through, so you'll get to see me tear these nasty, ugly blocks down probably by the end of this week. So we'll start, by the end of this week, I'm going to be getting some videos up to show the teardown process of these beautiful, beautiful blocks here. I got a few more that I'll throw some video up for you. So got an 880 block and 2 207s here. So these will be fun to get rebuilt. We'll get them on the engine stand, tear them down, and got brand new rebuild kits to go in everything.